Technology, that's good. Where you get that from, bro?
Oh, from the pharmacy?
Pharmacy. Ah, okay. I'll do that too. The face expression from him, yeah. Do I nail it? Let's try it. Fast forward to the next day. Let's check out another landmark, which is Dotonbori Street. It's like where this famous canal is and stuff like that. And yeah, that's where we're heading right now. Let's go. Just waiting for the subway, which is about to arrive. I think in like a couple minutes, 2 minutes actually. And if in Japan it says 2 minutes, trust me, it will be 2 minutes for sure.
ご乗車ありがとうございます。ナンバー車内にお忘れ物ないようご注意ください。
Wow. And here we are back in the ants colony. So many people, it's crazy, yeah. Not Tokyo crazy, but almost. So this is cool. This is like a vending machine, kind of like a slot machine. You can get a ticket, and if you might be lucky, you can get a Nintendo Switch, you can get an iPhone, whatnot. So yeah, and that's just here casually in the subway. That's so cool. Wow, man, look at all those lights and stuff like that. It's so cool, yeah. Everything is lit up and everywhere is music. People are walking around and shit. And yeah, I love it, man. With those trees, you could think it's like Christmas time, but I don't know. It will be probably like this all year. This looks also cool, yeah. Oh, it's a strong smell. Yeah, let's go. Let's check this out. This side street. Honestly, I don't really want to go into crowds, but there's no avoidance. My God, so many people. It will be so crazy hot, yeah. Did you see that funny Chinese guy? I will do exactly the same later. I will print my face with that shit, smack it all over, so I am not sweating like crazy. Look at this. You know, when I'm in those places, it's always like I don't really know where I should listen to first, where I should look first. It's super overwhelming, yeah, but I love it. So many, I don't know, so many influences. Man, I honestly feel like it's much even hotter than Tokyo. Tokyo was already crazy hot and humid, but man, Osaka is another level, you know? Still, even though Tokyo is already almost unbearable, but yeah. I actually just entered the Family Mart or Konbini just for actually getting some cool and buying some water, but mainly for getting cooled down, yeah. Also, what I feel like everyone's screaming, yeah, so many people, and oh, look at this bridge. It's actually also one very nice landmark here. Oh yeah, that's a famous picture, yeah. Man, I don't know why I always stumble about this shit just by accident. It feels so endless, everything. You know, endless streams of people, endless streets with all the, signs of their shops and stuff like that, and endless heat. It's crazy, man.
Experience the fun. Experience the energy. Experience the passion. Experience.
The face expression from him, yeah. Do I nail it? Do you guys think I should get something from here? I'm pretty sure that all those things are rigged anyway, you know. But I'm kind of surprised that you were actually able to film here. Like in Tokyo, they forbid it. So kind of cool. I wanted to show this stuff as well in Tokyo, but I could not. But here I can. I saw someone eating this earlier, so I might give it a try. Konbanwa, cheese kudasai. Hai, ichi, hai. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oki desu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Alright, so let's check this out. Man, this thing is huge, yeah? It's really huge. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, I want to wait for a little bit because it's still very, very hot. Totemo hot. Let's try it. It's a waffle, just simple waffle with cheese inside. Not bad. Not bad. Very chewy. 水果。